Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Forex Flossin, where you can find quick, simple explanations for Forex concepts. So we're live trading tonight. Oh my, I'm kind of shocked because and UCAD is already taken off. But nevertheless, what we always do before we get into the market is what? Check Forex Factory. That's right. And let's see. We got some GBP news at 2. It's 1:30 right now. 6:30, 1:30. So we got some GBP news. We might want to take some precaution. We're looking at GBP. There's also another site that gives great global impact news, and that is my FX book economic calendar. I am starting to consult both because there are things on my FX book that I don't see on happening in the market. Forex Factory isn't telling me, and my FX book knows exactly what's going on. So anyway, there's some GBP news in 20 minutes, so we should stay out of the market until this news comes out. Yeah, right. Also, if you haven't had the opportunity to check one of my previous videos, you definitely need to do that, because we talk about currency pair correlations, and oh boy, this should already have been up. Sorry. Forex correlation pairs, my FX book. Where is it? Is this it? Yes, this is it. So like I stated before, I like to trade on the 4-hour time frame. It gives a stronger, better gauge of the correlation. Now what you need to understand is, like, there is no set hard and fast rule about correlation. Correlation changes per time frame, like display here. It also changes based on what is going on in the market. For example, yesterday GJ and EUR GBP typically have a negative correlation. However, they were both rallying together for like over 4 hours. So it's always best to come here and check the correlation of the pairs for the day. I like to put in not minus 82, minus 80 and 80, because it highlights them for me and I get to see what pairs have the strongest correlation right now. So I was looking at UCAD, to be honest, today. UCAD, MXN, GBP, MXN. I was looking to get into UCAD. UCAD and I thought EURGBP had a negative core. Oh no, a positive correlate. Yeah, they do. No. That's GU and EURGBP. So it's not really that strong on this time frame. Anyway, so let's look at GU. I'm going to be looking at UCAD, GU, EURGBP, GJ, of course, tonight to see what kind of money we can make. Look at that. I should have got in down here. Hopefully this retraces. Sometimes it just takes off. But hopefully that'll retrace so I can get in there, because that's definitely going after yesterday's high. This is again UCAD. Yeah, this is definitely UCAD. So we'll see. I also like this time frame. I like this view. Why do I like this view? Because this is just a simple view of the currency pair, but it shows me the open and close, the weekly open and close, and the daily open and close. And that is a very sophisticated strategy that a lot of traders use to gauge how they should approach the market. As you can see, this is still UCAD. As you can see, why is this out of my frame? Anyway, as you can see here, this is the daily open. So the blue is the daily open. The red is the weekly open. Monday, this is where price action open. So price was trapped in between the daily open and the weekly open for today, which is Tuesday. It broke through this weekly open, and so it looks like it's trying to go after the high of the day, which was yesterday's high, which is up here. So we're gonna try to see if this retraces a little bit, and if it does and it doesn't hold, then we will buy back up. So let's look on the 1 hour. So we actually gauged by the 1 hour, right? Don't let this get you caught in a buy right now, because this is just a 15-minute fractal. Go to the 1 hour, right? You see, this is just a long erect candle. So it's, I don't know if you can see this, but it's 1:46 a.m. I'm going to wait 15 minutes to see how the next hour candle moves. And more than likely, it will always do this. It'll retrace, right? And then it'll go back up. So we'll see if that goes our way. If not, well, I don't know. Let's see what GJ's doing. GJ's moving. GJ's moving. Again, let's go on the 1 hour. So again, we have 15 minutes on this. I believe GJ is going to come down. I would wait. One thing about GJ though is that it doesn't, their retracements are tricky. It'll come down 2 more candles and then retrace and then come down again. Just it kind of did that here. Yeah, it did that here. Like, GJ is so weird. I really think GJ is going to continue to trend down. The dollar is weak. The yen is king right now. So I would definitely sell this because UCAD and EURGBP seem to be rallying. Also, another trick that I want to give you all is usually Monday and Tuesday they're always reset days. So they're always resetting the move from Friday. Right? So this has GJ keeps rejecting this weekly open. It's done it 3 times now, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. So GJ is more than likely on its way back up to Friday's high to see if it'll go beyond Friday's high, which I don't think it will, but it's possible. And then possibly go back down. So I would just be careful of GJ because this is tricky. Plus, with this GBP news may send GJ, like I said, up to retest this high from Friday, reset, and then sell from here. Because I'm telling you, the yen is king right now. So GBP doesn't have that much strength to overcome GJ. EURGBP, yeah, it looks like it's going up. You see this indecision? That's because they're waiting on news. So we'll see. We're just trying to grab 20 pips out of the market, or however many we can grab. So next frame you see from me, I'll probably be in the market getting some money out. All right. Hey guys. So I'm in UCAD and GJ. There was negative impact news for GBP, so yep, I'm in those. We're waiting for our 20 pips. Let's see how I can get GJ. Yep. So we just... You know what my bias is? I was just sitting here thinking. This is looking for another rejection. I'm not even sure of the weekly open. It may even reject the daily open and then head up. Because now I'm looking at UCAD. UCAD has had 3 rejections already of this level. This is coming back to try to retest again. I'm not even sure if I can get 20 pips out of this. I didn't even measure. Oh yeah, I'll get 20 out of this if it goes back up here. If it at least comes up here. Yeah, I'll get 20. But it will more than likely reject and head back down. That's what I'm thinking. I just wanted to share that. Yeah. Yep. Let's check. Oh, that's I got my dryer running this late at night. Sorry for the buzz. Yeah, look at this. Look at this on the 4-hour. Rejection. Like, this is fixing this is fixing to go down, in my opinion. Look at how many. Look at all these. It may come on top of the white of this 200 moving average on the 4-hour. But it's more like we're more likely looking to sell, unless we just gonna start trending up. That's possible too. That's possible. Let's see. Because I just can't get over the fact that the dollar is just weak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so on a daily, I don't know, we'll just have to see, but keep that in mind. Oh, we have literally hit the 20 moving average on the weekly. Okay, let me see something. I want to look at this retracement right here. So this has literally retraced to the 78. Yeah, UCAD is going down. UCAD is about to go down. Okay, well, I'll just, yeah. And GJ's gonna go up. It's gonna go up and retrace a little bit. We'll see. We'll see if my bias is right. I'll let y'all know when I get my 20 pips. So guys, I got my 20 pips on GJ, but I just want to show you something. Look at this candle. It exceeded the daily open, and it's coming back down here to try to break or to retest the weekly open. I honestly think it's gonna bounce and start going up. But let's check on UCAD. I think UCAD is we still struggling. We ain't struggling, but we trying to make it up to that 20. But I'm gonna close this video out. Hopefully you found it helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll do some more live trading. Take care.